Hello dear students, today we are going to start 6th lesson, money. We need many things in our daily life. To buy the things, we need money. In India, we use different currency. We use coins of 50 paise, 1 rupees, 2 rupees, 5 rupees and 10 rupees. These are some Indian currency notes. 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 50, 100 rupees, 500 rupees and 2000 rupees.
You see this type of currency in your daily life. In daily life you buy some things. Either it is milk, chocolates, your groceries. On that some price is written. Okay, whenever you go to buy something, okay, shopkeeper asks for money. Yes, for that one, after paying money, he will give the things only. Okay, see, suppose you are buying a pen. It having some specific price. Suppose you buy a pen for rupees 7 rupees 50 paise. You buy one pen for rupees 7.50. That means 7 rupees 50 paise. This type of amount is written on the things. Now see here, the rupees and paise, which is separated by this dot. Towards the left side of the dot, what is written here? Left side, rupees is written, and towards right side of the dot, what is written here? Paise. Rupees is denoted by this symbol, and paise is denoted by P. This is the symbol of rupees and this is the symbol of paise. And this dot, or you can see the decimal point, which separates rupees and paise. This dot separates the rupees and paise. Towards the left side, rupees is written, and towards right side, paise is written. This is the symbol of rupees and this is the symbol of paise. How will you write this rupees in the words? How many rupees are here? 7 rupees. 7 rupees and 50 paise. This is 7 rupees and 50 paise. In the words, it is written like this: 7 rupees 50 paise. Understood? The conversion of paise into rupees. See the first example, 400 paise. We have to convert this 400 paise into rupees. For that, we have basic value, that is 100 paise is equal to 1 rupees. 100 paise is equal to 1 rupees. Can you tell me the rupees and paise, which one is the bigger unit? The rupees is bigger unit and the paise is smaller unit. Rupees is the bigger unit and paise is smaller unit. Whenever we convert smaller unit to the bigger unit, we divide by 100. We divide by 100, as we are converting smaller unit to the bigger unit. Paise is the smaller than rupees. Now see here, this is the 100 paise is equal to 1 rupees. So 400 paise is equal to how many rupees? For that, what we will do? We will divide 400 by 100. So it will convert into rupees. Now see here, 400 divided by 100. How many zeros are there in the 100? 2 zeros. In 400, how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. then these 2 zeros of the 100 and these 2 zeros from the 400 will get cancelled. What is remaining here? Only 4 rupees. So 400 paise is equal to 4 rupees. This we can write also rupees 4. Understood? We will see one more example. Second example, 1000 paise. This we have to convert into rupees. See here, 100 paise is equal to 1 rupees. As we are converting smaller unit to the bigger unit. So 1000 paise is equal to how many rupees? Can you tell me the next step? We will divide 1000 by 100. Now what we will do here? 2 zeros from the 100 and 2 zeros from the 1000 will get cancelled. What is remaining here? 10 rupees. That means 1000 paise is equal to 10 rupees. One more example, 275 paise that we have to convert into the rupees. Can you tell me what will be the first step? 100 paise is equal to 1 rupees. So we have to convert this 275 paise into rupees. As 100 paise is equal to 1 rupees, then 275 paise is equal to how many rupees? Now see what we will do next. We will divide 275 divided by 100. Then it will convert into the rupees. Now see here, in 100 how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So we will move 2 places towards the left side and we will put here dot or decimal point. So we can write this 2. Before the dot or to the left side of dot, what we write? We write rupees. So 2 rupees and towards the right side of the dot we write paise, 75 paise. So that means 2 rupees and 75 paise. Understood? Do by another method. We'll see 275 paisa that we are converting into the rupees. As we know, 100 paise is equal to 1 rupees. So 275 paise is equal to how many rupees? Now see here, this 275 paise we can write 200 paise plus 75 paise. In the previous example, we have seen that 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. So 200 paise is equal to how many rupees? 2 rupees. So 200 paise will become 2 rupees plus and 75 paise. So this we can write 2 rupees 75 paise. Understood? Example 360 paise that we have to convert into rupees. We know that what will be the first step? 100 paise is equal to 1 rupees. So 360 paise is equal to how many rupees? What we will do here? We will divide 360 by 100. So it will convert into rupees. What we will do here? Now see, in 100 how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. We will move 2 places towards left side and we'll put here dot. So it will become 3 rupees and 60 paise. Or we can write here rupees 360 paise. Understood? By another method, 360 paise as 100 paise is equal to 1 rupees. So 360 paise is equal to how many rupees? We'll see here. 360 paise, we can write 300 paise plus 60 paise. Can you tell me 300 paise is equal to how many rupees? Yes, 3 rupees and 60 paise. So we can write this 3.60. Understood?